I'm Joan. I'm a newly employed writer who started to work for a newspaper company just this year. I haven't gotten used to the job yet and often have to work till late. Today was no exception. I'm finally done for the day after submitting my draft article to the desk. Man, it's hot. These hot days are killing me. I'm especially late today. I want to get home as soon as possible and jump into the shower. I guess I'll try taking that shortcut just for today. The shortcut I'm talking about is Route 293. This route is a state highway on a mountain, and it's known for its steep curves. I usually take the downtown 2-lane road to and from work, but I chose Route 293 tonight because I wanted to get home as quick as possible. But at this moment, I didn't know that this choice would lead to such a horrible experience. This road is already hard to drive during the daytime, but it's worse at night. There are hardly any streetlights. I have to get off this road as fast as I can. This route is creepy. These curves are too steep. I think I heard a thump. Could it be a pet bottle or something rolling in my trunk? That sound again. What is it? It's coming from the right side. I tried to recall what was inside my trunk, but I don't think there was anything in there. If there is nothing inside my trunk, could it be coming from the outside? The last curve, the steepest curve. Here it comes. Then I sensed something to my right rear. I feel something. But if I turn around, I lose. I'll just pretend I don't notice and get out of here. And when I turned the last steep curve, I heard the sound clearly from the right side of my car. Can't turn around. Can't turn around. I told myself that, but when I finally turned my face slightly towards my right, there was a woman with long hair and white dress. A woman was beside me, running at the same speed as I was. And then she turned to me and slightly smiled. The driver was a man who lived around this area.
It's dangerous. What's the matter?
I was scared. A woman in a white dress. I told him what I saw. Then the man put on a sorry face and told me,
I guess you saw her. The other day, a lady was hit by a car. She may have wanted you to notice her. Or maybe she was warning you that you've been a bit tired.
There were a fresh bunch of flowers on the side of the road where the man pointed.